Imagine living in the serene beauty of Mississippi, away from the hustle and bustle. Welcome to the Balcony Starkville student accommodation, where the style meets unparalleled convenience. Balcony offers 2, 4, and 5-bedroom apartments, each equipped with a cozy bed, dedicated study area, and your very own balcony to enjoy the fresh Mississippi breeze. The shared living space is a cozy haven, complete with a flat-screen TV for epic movie nights and warm lighting to set the perfect ambience. The spacious shared kitchens are designed to unleash your inner chef, and if the private balconies don't offer enough fresh air, check out the massive Sky Lounge. Plus, the property is pet-friendly, and with on-site parking, you go on fun road trips with your furry friend. When it's time to hit the books, you're a simple 15-minute walk away from Mississippi State University. On weekends, grab a hot beverage at Coffee Depot. And for the museum enthusiasts, the Ulysses S. Grant Presidential Library is just a quick 7-minute drive away. So, if you're in search of a home away from home that's both stylish and convenient, your search ends here. Book your spot today via amberstudent.com.